This small space is redesigned into a more organized and easier to use home. So this transformation uses a modern contemporary style with a better living layout and a more organized bedroom. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In the living area, the setup defines a stronger focal point. Next, the dining area. The dining space fits naturally between areas. Moving to the bedroom, the layout focuses on comfort and better storage. So, if your space feels crowded, it's not about adding more, it's about planning better. Once every piece has a purpose, the space feels more open, organized, and easier to use every day. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.